Kings, we've got Jim Clasier stepping back up to jam, and team captain Rocky Horror jamming for the TC Terrors. And let's see what the score is. What do you think, Phil?
I got it. Give it to Diamond City right now. Terrors 8, Death Kings 29.
A commanding 21-point lead. The TC Terrors are going to be struggling to catch up.
They got to get themselves out of that hole.
Rocky Horror, remember working his way through the back and roll up from the drop dead jet, but MP, big blocker, tried taking him out of turn 1.
That's your lead jammer.
Jim Clasier of the Diamond City Death Kings. Oh, Rocky Horror looks like he sees daylight. He's through. He's on the, he's stalking Jim Clasier.
He's skating behind, he's studying him, he's waiting to get a chance to knock him into next Tuesday. He's going to scratch his back with a hacksaw if he gets an opportunity.
Jim Clasier gets taken out by Dreadbeard of the TC Terrors.
Went down like a sack of wet turnips right there.
Oh, Rocky Horror breaking it back, putting some more points. Looks like he got 4 points on that one. They're going to need a lot more. They've got Jim Clasier stumbling his way through the back.
Takes a dive and goes off the jam. Once again, we have a lot of beer here and we'd like to get rid of it, so head on over through the soccer net where it says beer in big blue letters. Beer!
Alright, the Junkyard Derby Dame's own Haywood Jablomi stepping up this jam again for the TC Terrors. Bury your head. Bury your head for the Diamond City Death Kings. No, Diamond City is looking like they're going to hold their heads up around. Haywood Jablomi trying to get past Jim Clasier. Bobby Carnage cutting him off.
He was laying on the business.
Haywood Jablomi! He declared himself lead jammer there. The referee apparently agrees with him. Let's go Bandito in the ref.
Long-time ref for the Minnesota North Stars Railroad Association.
Barrier dead, getting a go-ahead from the referee. That's a 20-foot rule. You guys schooled you. Has to back off.
Once again, the rule on that, you cannot try and walk 20 feet in front of the head of the back.
Haywood Jablomi trying to put a dent in his back. Body count cuts him off. Oh, looks like he got a drop dead jet cut him off there.
Not through that back.
Trying to get past JJ Snapper. Oh, body count comes with a big block. And Haywood Jablomi calls it off from the ground.
It looks like they're making their way out of that hole they dug early in this period. Only a 12-minute period, so they got to make their way out rather quickly.
I think the TC Terrors made up a little bit of ground on that jam.
Like that one in the jam before, they may have built themselves up a little bit, climbed up that ladder, taken the escalator, taken the elevator back up to the top.
Let's see what the score is now. TC Terrors 15, Death Kings 42.
All right, maybe that elevator stopped about halfway.
That's a 27-point lead. So,
I'd like to give a shout out to Janice from Roller Sport TV. If you enjoy seeing this other fine program, head on over to
Roller Sports TV, that is correct.
Look for it, Google it, you'll find it. She's got a wonderful collection. She's videotaping us right now. Hell of a nice lady. Nice
come in and jam. And Jim Class Hero is going to stay in for Diamond City.